Hello, my name's Chris. Welcome to my video blog. Over the next few days I'm going to take a ride through Glen Shiel heading towards a beautiful Eilean Castle, famous for being the picture of choice for shortbread tins and numerous dish towels and calendars. I'll be pitching my tent on the beautiful Island of Skye among some stunning scenery and doing my best to interact with the wildlife. Then it's onwards towards Plockton and Applecross, where I give you guided video tours and my own brand of commentary. On the final day we take a run through the Torridon mountains. So I hope you have as much fun watching this video as I had making it. Enjoy the ride. Hello. Hey boy. Just off a petrol at Clooney Inn. I'm going to take a ride through Glen Shiel. And if I haven't let you know already, I'd just like to let you know now that I've been on top of every Monroe in Glen Shiel. So I won't bore you anymore. But anyway, enjoy the road. Stop the Shield Bridge. The weather's is stunning. Aye, does it get much better? It's about 9 o'clock at night. I've got to put a tent up, so stay tuned. I'll get back to you once I get a tent up. So this is a bit that I've been waiting for all day. Chance to kick back with a tin of beer. Very nice. Okay, time for sleep time. Can you hear that birds chirping? Meep, 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 meep. Morning, it's about 6:30. Can you hear the birds singing? Tweet, tweet, tweet. So nice and cosy, it wasn't too cold. Sounds a little bit breezier than it was yesterday. But let's go out and have a look. Check it out. What a nice view to waking up into the morning, eh? Stunning. I could really go a cup of coffee now. Coffee. Ba. 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 Still need to keep my toothy pegs clean. One of the best things about wild camping is you get to be wild pooping. Yeah. So that's a bike all parked up again. Next stop I think I'll head up to Plockton and then up by Applecross. Okay.
Pictures tell the story. This life had many shades. I'd wake up every morning and before I'd start each day I'd take a drag from last night's cigarette that smoldered in its tray. Down a little something, then be on my way. I traveled far and wide and laid this head in many ports. I was guided by a compass. I saw beauty to the north. I drew the tales of many lives.
Let's go for a walk through Plockton. Traffic jam. Good cracker. It's a YouTube video. Are you coming on?
All right.
Say hello.
How are we doing, guys? Plockton, excellent.
Nice one, boys. So, Plockton. some advanced camera work there. Bap bap doo boo bap bap. Rap bap and doo boom bow. Beep bap bap and doo boo boo. Rap bap and doo boo bap bow. Rim dam bong and a ding ding dong. Don't need sound tracks for you got that.
Wore the faces of my own. I had these memories all around me, so I wouldn't be alone. Some may be from showing up, others are from growing up. Sometimes I was so messed up and didn't have a clue. I ain't winning no one over. I wear it just for you. I got your name written here in a rose tattoo. In a rose tattoo. In a rose tattoo. I got your name written here in a rose tattoo.
Bring it on!
This one's for the mighty sea, mischief, golden piracy. This one's for the man that raised me, taught me sacrifice and bravery. This one's for our favorite game, black and gold, we wave the flag. This one's for my family name, with pride I'll wear it to the grave. Some may be from showing up, others are from growing up. Sometimes I was so messed up and didn't have a clue. I ain't winning no one over. I wear it just for you. I got your name written here in a rose tattoo. In a rose tattoo. In a rose tattoo. I got your name written here in a rose tattoo. In a rose tattoo. In a rose tattoo. I got your name written here in a rose tattoo. This one means the most to me. It stays there for eternity. A ship that always stays the course, an anchor for my every choice. A rose that shines down from above. I sign and seal these words in blood. I heard it once sung in a song. It played again and we sang along. You'll always be here with me, even if you're gone. You'll always have my love. Our memory will live on. Some may be from showing up, others are from growing up. Sometimes I was so messed up and didn't have a clue. I ain't winning no one over.
You're advised that camping is not encouraged. Oh well, campsite it is. At least we'll get a wash. Getting up again. Like a quick wash of the face, then and get down for a few beers. What would you choose to wear to impress locals in Applecross when you're going for a pint? How's about motorbike trousers and flip flops? Quality. Let's go. Cheers. I'm a bit boozy now, and I'm going to go back. In fact, I'm going to go for a walk through Applecross. Let's go. This may just do at a pub, a wee bit boozy, as you can probably see. So, I'm going to take you for a walk through Applecross. Like it? It's lovely. Hewlands. Don't know if you can see them, but they're there. Hey, check this out. Wait, you see this? That's my shed. Diddly-diddly. I think I'm going to go back to the tent now. Alright, so it's probably just about 9 o'clock, but I'm going for an early night. Night night!
It's 6 in the morning. I'm going to get an early start today because it's pushing rain later. So
The pictures tell the story. This life had many shades. I'd wake up every morning and before I'd start each day I'd take a drag from last night's cigarette that smoldered in its tray. Down a little something, then be on my way. I traveled far and wide and laid this head in many ports. I was guided by a compass, I saw beauty to the north. I drew the tales of many lives and wore the faces of my own. I had these memories all around me so I wouldn't be alone. Some may be from showing up, others are from growing up. Sometimes I was so messed up and didn't have a clue. I ain't winning no one over, I wear it just for you. I got your name written here in a rose tattoo. In a rose tattoo, in a rose tattoo. I got your name written here in a rose tattoo. This one's for the mighty sea, mischief, golden piracy. This one's for the man that raised me, taught me sacrifice and bravery. This one's for our favorite game, black and gold, we wave the flag. This one's for my family name, with pride I'll wear it to the grave. Some may be from showing up, others are from growing up. Sometimes I was so messed up and didn't have a clue. I ain't winning no one over, I'll wear it just for you. I got your name written here in a rose tattoo. In a rose tattoo, in a rose tattoo. I got your name written here in a rose tattoo. In a rose tattoo, in a rose tattoo. I got your name written here in a rose tattoo. This one means the most to me. It stays there for eternity. A ship that always stays the course, an anchor for my every choice. A rose that shines down from above. I sign and seal these words in blood. I heard them once sung in a song. It played again and we sang along. You'll always be here with me, even if you're gone. You'll always have my love, our memory will live on. Some may be from showing